The U.S. tourist visa or B1, B2 visa is a popular choice for Thai citizens planning a temporary visit to the United States, whether it's for a holiday, to spend time with family, or for other personal reasons. However, the reality is many Thai applicants are denied. What's often most frustrating is that these denials usually stem from small, avoidable mistakes rather than a lack of qualifications. I'm Pear from Siam Legal, and this video will walk you through the top 5 mistakes that lead to U.S. tourist visa denials for Thai applicants in 2025 and what you can do to avoid them. Section 1. Weak ties to Thailand. This is the most common reason that applicants are denied getting a U.S. tourist visa. The U.S. government needs to believe you will return to Thailand after your trip instead of illegally immigrating to America. If they're not convinced, your visa will be denied, even if you've submitted all the right documents. To prove your strong ties, you should be prepared to prove that you have a full-time job or own a business in Thailand, own property or other large assets in your name, have a long-term lease agreement for your home, live with family members you support or who otherwise rely on you, successfully acquired visas from other countries, and use them correctly. You will need to provide documented evidence of these facts, which can range from official documents and contracts to simple photos of property and family. There is no set standard amount of required evidence, but the more the better. If you have no such proof of strong ties to the country and your life in Thailand looks unstable or temporary, the visa officer is trained to believe this will make you a risk for illegal immigration and deny your visa. Section 2. Inaccurate or inconsistent information. The DS-160 is the online form used for short-term U.S. visas, including visits for tourism or business. Mistakes on your DS-160 form or answers that don't match what you say in your interview are a common reason for visa denials. Even small errors can make consular officers question your case, even if the mistakes weren't on purpose. For example, listing the wrong salary or job title, providing incorrect travel history, giving vague or contradictory answers at your interview. The consular officer has access to your DS-160 form during the interview. If your story doesn't match the application, it may come across as dishonest, which can easily lead to denial. Section 3. Insufficient financial proof. Another common reason for rejection is not being able to prove you can afford your trip. The U.S. government doesn't want you to run out of money on your travels and rely on public assistance. To prove you can afford your trip, you need to show stable savings in your bank account, usually between 175,000 baht to 350,000 baht or $5,000 to $10,000. A steady source of income that your finances were deposited last minute just to look good on paper. Again, there is no magic number to reach to get your visa. The officer will judge if your finances are adequate based on the nature of your trip. If someone else is funding your trip, you still need to prove your own financial stability and that you won't be a public burden. Section 4. Misrepresenting your travel intentions. This is one of the quickest ways to get denied, and it could even lead to a ban on future applications. The B2 visa is strictly for short-term tourism. If the officer believes you are actually planning to get married, give birth in the US, look for or stay long-term, then your visa will be denied. Even saying that you're visiting your American partner can raise concerns. If your real reason for traveling falls into another visa category like the K1 or CR1, applying for a tourist visa instead will hurt your credibility and permanently stain your immigration record, jeopardizing all future U.S. visa applications. Section 5. Poor interview preparation. You might think the visa interview is just a formality, but it matters more than you expect. Many applicants get denied because they cannot clearly explain their travel plans, forget details from their DS-160 form, appear nervous or confused, dress too casually for the interview, or otherwise show you are not serious. The interview is your chance to prove you are a genuine traveler with plans to return home. You need to be clear, confident, and well prepared. Dress properly, bring the right documents, and go over your answers ahead of time. If you're still nervous, consider practicing by doing a mock interview with someone who has done it before or knows what to expect. Section 6. How Siam Legal helps you avoid these mistakes. Applying for a U.S. tourist visa can look simple, but one small mistake can cost you. That's why Thais and foreigners have turned to Siam Legal to assist with their U.S. visa applications for over 20 years. We make the process clear and provide hands-on assistance from initial application up to the embassy interview. Our U.S. visa team helps you with select the correct visa type, gather accurate and complete documentation, review and complete the DS-160 form, prepare for your visa interview with personalized coaching, eliminate the guesswork that causes most denials. Over our many years of service, Siam Legal has assisted with over 10,000 successful U.S. visa applications, so you can rest assured we know what it takes to get you to America swiftly and smoothly. Don't risk getting your visa denied over something that could have been avoided. If you're ready to apply for a U.S. tourist visa and want to minimize your risk of travel disruptions, contact Siam Legal. We'll help you prepare the right way and give you the best chances of approval. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more helpful U.S. visa content. We'll see you in the next video. สวัสดีค่ะ